Daesia. Today I'm back with another review. Today I'm going to be doing the Yeezy Vermilion Foam Runners.
What are you doing?
This is my first pair of foam runners. I just love the red color. Like all the other colors, like the cream and the other colors, I liked them, but I wasn't like, I gotta have these. But when I saw this color was releasing, I had to get it. Now the colorway retail for $75. I did not hit on confirm. I didn't get them off Yeezy. I didn't get them off anything. But yeah, I'm really excited to do this review for y'all because I even had trouble like with the sizing because like I said, it's my first pair of foam runners. So I didn't know if I should get a 6 or a 7. I didn't know. So yeah, let me just show y'all the shoe. All right, so like I said, this is the box. Very simple. Just has like the like barcode and then like the size or whatever. You open it and it says foam runner. One thing I actually do like, I like that the box doesn't have too much going on, just a simple box. Love that Kanye does it with all his boxes. They're just kind of simple. They don't have to be too all over the top because the shoe is gonna do the, you know, the talking for us. So like I said, I got the red colorway, which is called the Vermilion. I just want to say, initially what really compelled me to buy the shoe was the color. And there's so many other pairs of foam runners and like colorways, but the red was like, okay, I can't miss out on these. I've been holding out. I'm buying foam runners, but I really want these. So like I said, I got them. I got them from Good Times in Atlanta. They were just $280. I know retail they were $75, but I bought them for $280. The thing I really love about these shoes is how comfortable they are. They're kind of like a modern day Croc, but Yeezys are like a Yeezy Croc. But I really like them. They're super like squishy. Like the shoe is comfortable. Like I feel like it's an everyday shoe. I see myself wearing these a lot. And the red is giving like Red October, like cherry red. It's super cute and I'm super obsessed. My favorite thing about the shoe is the comfortableness of the shoe and how it doesn't hurt, like it doesn't hurt the ball of your foot. I really like that. The thing that I would say I don't like the most about the shoe is the fact that it doesn't come in half sizes, because like I said, I had to get a 4, which is a 6 in women. I'm a 7 in women, but these literally fit perfect and I know they're gonna stretch. I just wish that I could have gotten a 4.5 because I would have had just a tiny bit more room. So it's like I have to wear them a little bit to have them stretch. And like I said, it's not uncomfortable to wear them. They just literally fit perfectly. So it's like I gotta kind of think about my sock that I'm gonna wear and stuff like that. But I'm happy I got the 6 instead of the 7 because the 7 was giving clown. It was giving clown feet. It was giving it was gonna flop off my actual foot and I didn't like that. Would I recommend buying these shoes? Yeah, I would say these have to be my favorite pair of Yeezys ever. Besides my Yeezy boots, I have the oil color. The oil is my favorite, was my favorite like Yeezy shoe. But now I have these, the Vermilions. I really like these, and these kind of like reign superior because of the colorway and because of how comfortable they are and just like the fashion statement that they make. I feel like I can throw these on with anything, run an errand, walk the dog, walk around the house. Like they're comfortable. Let me emphasize, they are comfortable, like a shoe that you would want to wear. So would I recommend getting these shoes? Yes, I would recommend them. The retail is not that bad. I paid $280 and the retail is $75, so it's like 200-ish more dollars, but I feel like it's worth it. Would I rate this shoe a 1 out of 10? I would give it an 8. It gets an 8 because I really wish that I could get a half size. And I had to take it down 2 notches because I couldn't get a half size. But love this shoe, I recommend it, and I definitely think you guys should go and get the foam runners, whether it's the vermilion color, whether it's cream, whether it's whatever color you want to get. I definitely recommend getting these. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have more content coming. Like I said, I was just in the middle of a big move, so my stuff was all over the place, but I'm back. I'll be back with another video the week after this, and I'm serious. I'm being more consistent. But thank you for watching, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo.